Hyunjoon Architects' Multi Terrace House is a masterful response to the challenges of contemporary residential design. Situated on a sloping site, the house leverages its natural incline to create a private front yard, a luxury often compromised in modern urban dwellings. Unlike the claustrophobic courtyards of many contemporary homes, this residence embraces openness while preserving privacy. The architects have skillfully designed a dwelling that seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a strong connection to nature. The heart of the multi-terrace house is its south-facing yard, a tranquil oasis accessible from nearly every level. The ground floor is dedicated to communal living, with an open-plan kitchen and living room that flow effortlessly onto the deck and beyond. A void space connects this main level to the family room above, creating a sense of verticality and visual interest. Large windows on both the north and south facades blur the lines between inside and out, transforming the house into a spacious, light-filled environment. The upper floors are designed with the family's needs in mind. The second floor is a children's retreat, featuring separate bedrooms centered around a shared family room. To maximize interaction and connectivity, interior windows allow for visual exchange between rooms. Private terraces off each bedroom extend the living space outdoors, encouraging a playful and independent lifestyle for the young inhabitants. The top floor is a sanctuary for the parents. The master bedroom, positioned centrally, offers a serene escape with a protruding window that frames the beautiful yard below. On either side of the master bedroom, private en-suite spaces provide intimate retreats for the couple. Similar to the children's floor, each of these private spaces has its own terrace, creating a harmonious flow throughout the house and reinforcing the connection to the outdoors. And there you have it, a stunning example of how architecture can harmoniously blend indoor and outdoor living. Hyunjoon Architects has truly created a masterpiece with the multi-terrace house. Its innovative design and thoughtful planning offer a refreshing perspective on modern family living. If you were inspired by this home, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And for more architectural wonders and design inspiration, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.